Caillou, it's almost Christmas. Yeah. What the? Where did I just come from? I don't know, Daddy. Well, just be on your best behavior today, Caillou. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now that Mom and Daddy are gone, time to take a little joyride. Move your air conditioner on from Alex's room to my room. Alright. Yay. We're moving. When the Roblies got home. Oh, I forgot to take a nap. I need to go right now. Turn on the AC. What the? Where's my air conditioner? I better go tell Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad, someone took our AC. Oh, to tell you this? Yeah. He stole my AC. He stole our AC. Alright. Yeah. Someone stole my AC. Why? I heard someone having that hidden camera the other day. Let's take a look. Yay. We're moving. What the? Alright. Hi. Let's do this. What the? What? Not that stupid bald brat. We have to ground him. Yay, I'm at Chuck E. Cheese's. No. Uh-oh. Arthur. I can't believe you stole Alex AC and you went to Chuck E. Cheese's. That's so it. You were grounded. And once you do this, we'll be turning all of your Christmas gifts.